freedom and equality. In every person, there's a secret song in their heart. It says, I am free. It sings, I am one. I am one. I am one. I am one.
Rise up, black people, rise up. And wise up, black people, wise up. And take your stand. Black people, wise up, me I beg you, rise up. And firm in this Armageddon. May I beg you enough to smart up and go in at the right position. You know how long they want to kill up all black man. You know how long they want to extinguish me gang. They start on Lady Nanny, Marcus Garvey, warfare red land. They kill George William Gardner and Paul Bogle. Said them mash up that they gang. They get rid of Sam Sharp, get rid of Jackie. We fight with black man, Malcolm X and Steve Biko, Martin Luther King. They say anyone rise trying to hate black man, they have to pay suffering. That is why they give Nelson Mandela 27 years in prison. So wise up, my brother, wise up. Wise up and take your stand. Wise up, my sister, wise up. And sit in the right position. Cause we are kings and queens of Jajabur. So we are they need to be. So I'm an humble and keep focused and praise King Selassie. The system get rid of Michael Jackson and Bob Marley. Get rid of Tupac and Biggie. Capture Kunte Kente and chop off him foot and tell him say him to call himself Toby.